Omega Point TV in the city of Torino, Italy. My name is Mr. Solomon, as usual, your presenter. Here with me in the studio we have a notable personality away from another city. He's here to pay us a visit and to oversee some special activities that has been happening in the city of Torino. Hello, good evening, sir.
You're welcome.
Please, would you kindly tell us your name?
Yeah, I'm Faraday Bose. I'm the president of National Union of Nigerian Association in Italy, that's NUNI.
Okay, thank you very much. Mr. Faraday has explained, giving us his name and tells us what he does. But now we want to know why he is here in the city of Torino and where actually he lives.
Well, for a start, I live in Verona. Verona is a city in the northern part of Italy. Okay. And well, as I introduced myself before, I'm the president of the National Union of Nigerian Association in Italy, and just came in to be part of Torino activity. For a very long time, the people that Nigerians in Torino have been missing in action from the National Association. And in time, it has always given us some concern. The embassy is also very concerned. Nigerians in Torino are enormous, and we cannot forge ahead or move the Nigerian community in Italy without the Torino Nigerian community. And so, in our last executive meeting, we made a point of duty, and also with the collaboration with the embassy to see that a meeting that was called for today in Torino, that I'll be with you.
Thank you very much. Mr. Faraday just said something about Nigerians in Torino have been missing in their activities. Please, sir, what exactly are these activities? How would the Nigerians in Torino benefit, or what contribution are we going to play in this association of yours?
Well, first and foremost, I don't know if you want me to go back to the definition of an association. An association is a body of a group of people with common interests. And if people don't come together, you cannot pursue your own objective, your own agenda. In Italy, there are so many associations, many ethnic associations. And we discovered that if we don't come together as an association, as a body, we cannot work together. And that is why Nigerians are always relegated to the background in the scheme of things in Italy. There are other associations that are very strong. You can see what happened. You see, there are a lot of things that happen to Nigerians here, and nobody asked after it. At the time, there was a Senegal that was killed in Firenze. And the whole of Italy, was shaken. But every day our Nigerians are killed, and they are killed as chickens, and nobody cares about what happened to Nigeria because we didn't come up, we are not together, we are not a body united. And if you say you are not there, nobody will say you are there. And so that is why this coming together to form an association to fight our common interests is very, very important.
Okay, with your explanation, it seems NUNI is centered on social cultural activities to cater for Nigerian here in Italy.
Yeah, it's a social and non-profitable association that is organized. NUNI is actually a body. It's a body uniting all the Nigerian associations in Italy, uniting Nigerian Association in Torino, the one in Rome, the one in Udine, and so it's a body that coordinates all the activities, both political, social, and economic for economic development of Nigeria.
Okay, thank you very much. So far, so good. Are all the Nigerians in different cities part of this association, or Torino is the only one not included?
Well, Torino has always been a very contributive association to NUNI. Even the chairman of the chairman of the what's it called, the committee, the working committee. Okay. Mr. Yamo was at the time the secretary of NUNI. That was about 20 years ago. It's not that it's only that for a while Torino stopped functioning. And so that is why we are so much interested, and that is why we are so much concerned. Torino is a big city, and there are so many Nigerians living here, and we cannot afford to leave them behind.
Actually, Torino has been part of this association.
Yes, I told you that Mr. Ijamu was one time the national secretary.
Well, this is my first time of hearing it, which means we've really missed a lot from the period we stopped and now that we are going back. Okay, let's come to the issue in Torino. With what you've observed, this little house you spent with us in Torino and attending the meeting that you said you came for, what do you have to say with regards to that?
Well, I said it's a very positive development. Like what I saw today, it's interesting. And it's a starting point. We started from a point, and know that if we continue with the way we started today, we're going to, get to a very, good height.
Okay. Well, usually we know that when some associations are coming up or the ones that are existing are being neglected or left to stand on their own, things usually get bad on their part. So are you trying to explain to the people of Torino that the NONA will always be by them, stand by them whenever they need help or assistance in any form, NONA will be there for them?
Yeah, there's no doubt about that. What NONA has always been doing is to stand in between Nigerians and the Nigerian government, and also between Nigerians and the Italian government. Like for example, it was something that gave me some concern, and I made this known to the ambassador in March this year, March 2013, where I observed from reports that were reaching me that there were so many Nigerians that were being deported, just being picked from their houses and they were being deported. So I made the ambassador to know the agreement that was signed by the Nigerian government on the 17th of February 2009 by the then Nigerian Inspector General of Police, Michael Kiru, and Antonio Magalelli. The man just, is recently late. The man died too. But the agreement then was that only Nigerians caught with crimes should be, deported. That illegal Nigerians caught with crimes, or on the scene of crime. But there was a time when police would go to people's houses and pick them, take them to the deportation camp. So we'll make this known to the ambassador who wrote a protest. And I believe now, if there's any person that is picked from a house and taken to the deportation camp, just give me a call, and I'll make sure that such person is stopped at the deportation camp.
Wow, this is a welcome development in the city of Torino, because we all know that so many of our brothers, our friends are being harassed in the streets, arrested and deported for no just cause. All because of the negligence of the community. The community has not been functioning, so we don't know whom to address our situation to. But now that the community is gradually coming to light, and we've been guaranteed already that if we have problems before we come into function, there's always somebody to turn to. Wow, that is good. So Mr. Faraday also would want to sincerely thank you for coming to visit us and to conduct it. If you have anything more to say.
Yeah, okay. Well, before I conclude, I want to say there are other issues that were taken, because since we came into power, since we inaugurated, we will be fighting for Nigerians. Now, I think you can observe that even for those of us that used to authenticate documents from the Italian embassy, it costs an average of about €1,000. They will tell you have to pay about 172,000 for putting my check you at home. Right now, we're taking that up. We've prepared a document which we are sending to the Nigerian House of Representatives, because there's a committee for diaspora that's supposed to be responsible for Nigerians in diaspora. We are preparing a statement for them to query what the excessive cost and why people should be made to go into undue procedures before our documents are authenticated. Okay. So we have a lot of things to do that Nigerians will benefit from. All I want to appeal to Nigerians in Torino is that you should come together. Whenever meetings are called, make sure you attend so that your voice will be heard, because I am not an island and I cannot know everything. So if you put in your input and the other person put in his input, then we can be able to form a workable association and a workable community.
Thank you very much, Mr. Faraday. We sincerely appreciate your coming to Torino, and we hope to get in touch with you. And as well for our Nigerians in the city of Torino and its environs, please partake whenever it comes to issue that has to do with your country. Nobody has to come to your house and knock on your door for you to come out. When the name Nigeria is being called, come out and look what is happening. Get involved. This is the only way we can move from where we are to the next level. Thank you, viewers, and I hope you have a lovely time with Megapoint TV here in the city of